Stoten. I'm at Electronica 2016 in Munich, and I'm joined by Gilles Bernard from IMI. Gilles, pleasure to see you. Thanks for stopping by.
Pleasure to see you too.
I've been reading some of the company press releases, and you've been having some success in terms of growing your bottom line, which is always a good thing to do in an industry like the EMS sector. What strategy are you employing to do that, and what do you think the key sectors that you operate in are?
Okay, so you are right. IMI is, let's say, very successful at the time being, and will be more successful in future. Our strategy is very simple. We want to focus on, let's say, some core business, maybe more focused than in the past. At the time being, we want to focus in automotive, which is our first business, industrial and medical. Okay, so this is the three main market we want to focus on.
Okay, and you've had a lot of success in the automotive industry, particularly in Asia. What do you put that down to? Is it people on the ground, or is it your technology, or is it the way you run your business?
This is a good question, and this is a complex chemistry. In fact, there is not only one factor which can make us successful. First of all, in automotive, the key point is to have the right organization. Correct? Mean the right organization to deliver the quality, but not only the quality, to the excellence. And excellence means being capable to deliver on time the NPI, and being sometimes capable to solve the problem of our customer.
Okay.
So this is one of the key points. So excellence, not only quality, for excellence. And we put in place the last, let's say, 10 years, this is not a recent effect, we are just collecting the results on that today. We put in place the right organization. Right. So I have an organization, let's say, on quality, but I have also an organization on excellence, which is two different things.
Yeah, and I think for me the automotive industry is interesting how it's developed as it's got involved in electronics. It requires agility, it requires speed to market,
exactly,
but it requires fanatical traceability and longevity as well.
Yeah.
And those are two challenges to manage.
Yeah, for sure. And on top, to make in addition to my answer, I was speaking about, let's say, the operational, factor. What also is very key is to have, let's say, the necessary financial support. And for sure, IMI is an healthy company, making a significant, let's say, EBITDA, and we are financially. One thing which help also is the positioning of IMI on the three main markets. Means Asia, in China, Europe, in Bulgaria and Czech, and North America.
Yeah.
And one of the key success, probably compared to the competition, is we have been capable the last 4 years to put exactly the same organization with the same job description, with the same organization, and everything is aligned on the three main markets.
Okay.
Which means that when a customer arrives with a global project, he is served exactly in the same way.
Right.
And this makes the difference on the market, and this is a part of the reason why we are successful.
I think it does, and particularly in the automotive industry, which, as you say, is global, but we're seeing movement in terms of where they're going. We're seeing part of the North American industry find its way around Guadalajara in Mexico. We're finding more and more going on around Budapest in Hungary, and more small automotive companies we've never heard of popping up in mainland China. We have to have that global footprint.
And we have this global presence. Now, another factor linked to your original question, why we are successful, we are delivering the right technology. And we have recently invested in some core technology, which we know our customer will need in future on the emerging market. And this will have, let's say, the second very positive effect for IMI in the coming years.
Okay.
One, for example, as an example, is camera. You know that we have been a partner of some key project designed by our customer in manufacturing, but we have our own offer, what we call Minicube, and this Minicube is capable to be used in very modern, let's say, needs on new car, for example. Would it be ADAS? Would it be safety? Or would it be even any communication inside the car?
Okay.
So we will need our camera in future. Another point, we have invested recently also in power module, and power module will serve the industrial market, but also the automotive market. So you can understand we are bringing the process, we are bringing excellence of our team, alignment on all the, let's say, the word, finally, and on top of that, the technology. So yes, IMI will be a very successful company in the coming years.
And it fits very well with those three sectors. Last question, I spoke to some of your team recently in China about automation and about manufacturing excellence. That's also a factor that you're really working hard on.
Yeah, for sure. Everybody know that now, let's say, robotization of the process is on the way.
Yeah.
And we have again prepared that. I mean, 4 years ago, we have created a new business unit that we call automatic backend. And this business unit is capable to deliver the necessary automatic process with robot at the end of our SMT line. So, and with that, especially in automotive where there is high volume needed, we are capable to deliver that. And at the time, let's say there is inflation of the salary, at the time there is difficulties to recruit the people, especially where in the area where there is low employment. The robotization is one of the key to keep the quality and to keep the delivery. So this is very important. We deliver that. So at the time being, we can say that yes, all the planets are aligned for IMI. Would it be in terms of process? Would it be in terms of people? Would it be in terms of excellence and also technology?
Yeah, and you mentioned people. You recently won an award for your executive team, so congratulations on that. And you obviously have a structure there from management down that's working well.
And to prepare the future, another function which is also strategic on top of the technology, on top of let's say the material team, etc., is HR. HR is really key, and one of the value of IMI is, let's say, this family ambience inside. So the people, I joined recently IMI. I joined recently now 5 years ago. I feel that I work for IMI since a long time. And so the people need to love to work for IMI. And this is the situation today. So for us, HR on top of the technology is strategic to have a sustainable business and growth. And the market recognizes that today.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Gilles, thanks for talking to me about it, and great to see you, and hope we can chat again soon.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.